Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are gonna learn how can you make just a whale project like this, which has a water glyph at the end, and it just does not move. It does much more things than that. So now, if I just click S, I have the sound fade, and then if I just click G, I have a little ghost spooky effect. And then if I just press B, it takes me to back, and if I again press B, it takes me to front. And then I have R, which makes it random layers. Again, if I press R, random layers, so that if you want random layers, you can use that. So here I have some effects and a moving whale. So first, what I've did for the background water, I've just defined some blocks as this, and forever I'm just switching the backdrop because first I want that backdrop, and always I'm just doing next backdrop. And what I have just added a GIF, and it has imported my GIF. So that's the thing I have here. So then what I'm gonna do is I have each I have here. So now as you can see, you can also make them different colors. I have like 45 of them, so they form my thing. And then I have the thumbnail, and that's the thing. So then what I've did is I've defined two blocks that says hide and set rotation style to don't rotate, and then it just sets the size and sets variables. Some I have done and repeat times that it creates the clones. And then what I'm gonna do is I have another fast 2 which changes levels count by 1 and set level to levels count. So then what I've did, I go to backward by level layers and switch costume to level. Okay, and just I made it show. Then what I've did is for the R key pressed, I showed you random it does, and then I have B. So B just makes it backward as I showed you, and G, as I showed you, it makes it a little spooky. And then I have S, which makes it, and here I have some notes which tell you about the block. So S makes the sound. Okay, and then I have here move. So this is the main thing which makes it move. So first I have some variables here. Okay, and then I have just minusing them from item level and of past mount x and y. So then I'm doing the squat, and after that I have my variables and I'm just putting them in the conditionals, and then I'm using a tan and then squat, and again I have some variables that are making it, and then we have our project like this. This is like point towards x and y. This is the same as point towards x and y, but it's a little different. So now we calculate the distance. Like this one which you're seeing, the squat one, is just calculating the different distance to the point, and that's use of that. And then I have a list, like it calculates distance to it assigned spot, and if the distance is greater than 15, it moves 7 steps. If it's between 15 and 1, it moves only one third of a distance to its point. And if the distance is 1 only, then it just goes straight to its point. And I have just not imported a sound. I took scratch sound as seagulls. And this GIF, I have imported it. So so that's the GIF. And then this is all about my whale. So like this, you can also make projects, random layers, then backward, then again frontwards, and then I have G, which makes it a little spooky. I have sound, backward. All I can do, but random layers does not good look good. So, but still, I just added it if someone wants. So like that, we can use this project to do many animations, and you can also add more effects. Like I just added this, so now I can even add some more effects like this. You can also add like color effect. Now if you want, let's add another effect that says when C pressed, we want to change the color effect. That's also good, right? No, we want to set the color effect to 25. Like we don't want to set, we want to put it as pick random. Okay. And let's just make it as not 1 to 10, maybe 1 to 55. It takes different colors, and then I'm just going to put a for level loop, and let's see what happens with our. Okay, I just put that into space, so let's see what happens with our space. Whoa, that looked good, but pick random doesn't do that properly. That does not change costumes of all the colors. Okay, why we are just setting it, that's why it does not do that. We have to always change it. So now I'm just going to change it always and pick random to 100. Okay, so like I make it 100 and now try it. See, no space. Now you'll see that different colors are coming, but not on the black one. So like that you can use change all costumes and you can do that. So now we haven't used our change costumes. So that's it for today. Thank you. Try making this amazing whale project with some animations in Scratch.